Hi there, welcome back to our channel. My name's Amber. I'm the owner and founder of browenvy and browenvy Academy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you our special saline removal technique and sharing some information with you about saline removal and also about our saline removal training, which is done completely online. Throughout this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all kinds of FAQs, but I will keep it brief. That way you get all the information that you need about getting it done or about learning how to do this for your clients by the end of the video. In this video, we're doing a partial removal, which means that there are certain parts of her old microblading that she wants to get rid of because we're changing her shape. So I've applied marker dots to the areas that I'm going to be working on, which is one brow in the front, as you can see, in the tail, and the other brow is mostly underneath. So she's been concealing that for a while as she's changed her mind about the shape that she wants. So that brings me to my next point. If you're an artist and you've ever had someone who liked the work they had, but maybe didn't like all of it, or they changed their mind about the shape, or maybe you want to work on a person, but the work they have from someone else is just a little bit off, but you're either forced to turn them away or forced to work over someone else's work and repeat the shape mistake. So this is perfect for all of those examples. So saline tattoo removal is essentially reverse tattooing. We use a needle and a machine, or a manual tool can be used, and we implant the saline solution into the skin to lift the color out. You will notice there will be bleeding, and that is okay. It doesn't cause any scarring when done correctly. But over the course of the next couple weeks, when the scabs take place, they will lift the color up and out of the skin, and lightening will continue to happen for a couple of weeks after the service is done. Our saline removal technique can be done on permanent makeup like eyebrows or eyeliner. It can also be done on lip liner if it's outside of the lip tissue, and small body art tattoos. A good guideline on body art tattoos is that it should be about a deck of cards size or smaller in order for the saline removal to be efficient. Now, I love sharing these videos on our channel because we love to educate artists on all the different options that are out there and our clients. And of course, we're a training academy, so we like to share a little bit of what we teach. But please keep in mind that this should only be done by a trained professional, and even an experienced tattoo artist or permanent makeup artist should take training to learn how to properly do the saline removal technique, because it is different than regular tattooing or permanent makeup, and there are certain things you need to know in order to avoid harming people's skin. We're often asked if saline tattoo removal hurts, and so the short answer is it could, depending on your opinion of pain. So it's totally subjective. We just like to tell everyone that we use numbing, but for the most part it feels like a tattoo going in when it's coming out. So we use numbing cream, but your clients should expect some stinging and minor discomfort, but very manageable. As you can see from this video, our client is very comfortable and talking the entire time. The number of sessions that any individual will need will depend on the ink in their body and how well they do the aftercare, but most people are going to require 2 to 3 sessions for full lightening, and then if they need maybe just a little bit of lightening to get them touched up, you may be able to get away with 1 to 2, and then for complete removal of heavily saturated work, it could take 3 to 4 or more sessions. I'd like to close with just a little more information about our training class if you're interested in learning about it. It is completely online, and you can learn about it at www.pmucoach.com. And when you click all courses, you're going to want to click on saline tattoo removal so you could read all about it. But it's only $199 right now, which you can also split into 4 payments if you'd like to make the cost a little bit more affordable and get instant access. We would love to have you, especially with our Facebook group where I can personally coach you to success in the technique, but also in the business of doing removals. I hope to see you there. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments or send me an email.